So right behind me is going to be where EverCreek is going to be located. This is the newest piece of ground that Pulte Homes has picked up here in Lakewood Ranch, and I wanted to come stand on it before anybody builds a single house here. Now, Pulte closed on this back in June, 464 acres off of Bourneside Boulevard, which is where I'm standing now. It's about a half a mile north of Fruitville Road, still inside Sarasota County. And right now, what you're looking at is just a road and some cleared land behind me, some early site work. No models, no sales center yet. That's actually why I wanted to get out here. Most of what's online about this community right now is pretty much guesswork. So the plan is 1,000 homes total, 850 single-family homes, and 150 townhomes. Now, Pulte is saying homes will run anywhere from about 1,500 to almost 4,000 square feet, 2 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3.5 baths, 1 to 3 car garages. This isn't a one-note community. It's built to cover a starter buyer and also bigger family under the same roof line within the same community. Let me show you where this actually sits, because that matters more than the brochure. We're heading south on Bourneside towards Fruitville, and this is the corridor that's going to carry all the EverCreek traffic. Once it's built out, it's the same road a lot of you already know if you've looked at anything in this pocket of Lakewood Ranch. When buyers moved into this part of Lakewood Ranch, the biggest question is always the commute to 75 into the Fruitville corridor shopping area. From here, it's just a straight shot, nothing exotic. You don't even think twice about how to get there. This is a trailhead that's already built and already gets used every day. And I'm showing it to you because EverCreek is promising almost 3 miles of new trails that tie into the same system, the one that already has about 150 miles across Lakewood Ranch. So if you're the kind of buyer who actually uses these trails for walking the dog, riding the bicycles with the kids, this isn't a community getting bolted onto Lakewood Ranch. It's getting stitched into the same framework you'd be using if you bought in an established neighborhood 10 minutes from here. Now, the amenity plan on EverCreek itself is an 8-acre campus, beach entry pool with a lazy river, a fire pit lounge, a clubhouse with a fitness center and a pickleball complex with shade structures, and a dog park and a playground and an event lawn. And none of that's built yet, but that's the scope of Pulte's commitment. I think that they have shown that they do that in other communities. Now, these homes include gated community, impact glass, which included with every home site, and preserve and lake views. Since there's nothing finished at EverCreek, I wanted to show you some of Pulte's work elsewhere already standing, so you're not just taking my word for what these amenities will actually look and feel like. And this gives you a real sense of finish level and quality. The same builder, the same playbook. It's already open. They're just going to do it in a new community. So here's where I'd leave it. EverCreek is early. No models, no pricing, no move-in dates, but it's 1,000 homes on almost 500 acres in one of the last undeveloped pockets left in the Lakewood Ranch area, and that doesn't come along often anymore. And if you want to get on the list before it opens up, or you just want some local agent like myself watching for you as it moves along, that's exactly what I do. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description below, or you can call or text the number that's on the screen. And if you're planning to move to Lakewood Ranch, just hit that little subscribe button so you don't miss the next update on this one. Now, earlier I did a comparison on Welland Park versus Lakewood Ranch. So if you want to see that, you can check out this video next. Mark Bamig, Michael Saunders and Company.